Welcome to Usman Digital Vault, your go-to channel for an array of international level courses. Skip the costly classes elsewhere. We provide comprehensive step-by-step explanations and share to join our growing community. To enhance your learning, subscribe, dive into our complete ethical hacking course, and discover essential freelancing strategies. All in one place. Usman Digital Vault is your key to knowledge. Let's get started.
Alright guys, so it has finally finished rendering, and yeah, so to actually save this, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to image, save as, and you can save it wherever you want. I'm just going to name it SS character 01, so Skillshare character 1, and yeah, so it's saved. Now if I just go to my Blender work, you're going to see that we have SS character 1 here, which is perfect. I'm just going to open it. Perfect, cool. So yeah, now we could obviously post-process this, and we could obviously edit the colors and everything. We can do this here as well, but I don't think that's gonna make that much of a difference, because it already does have a lot of vibrance and a lot of contrast and everything. So I don't think we need to do anything much. So why is it not opening? I'm just gonna give it a minute. Yeah, okay, perfect. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna go to adjustments. Now you can use any editing software for this, obviously, but I'm just using the default Photos editing software. So the contrast, let's just increase it slightly to make the colors pop even more, and the exposure, let's just increase it a tad bit. And the color, we're gonna be let's try the tint. Let's set the tint to a little, like, the thing is, right now on 0 it looks kind of greenish, to be honest. Let's give it a more warm vibe. So something like that should be good. Actually, I'm going to increase it a little more. Something like that should be pretty good. Let's change the warmth. Yeah, I think it's good where it is. I'm just going to set it to 0. And the clarity, we could obviously increase this to give it more more definition. But I'm actually going to decrease it because we want it to be a very dreamy render, a very cartoony and stylistic render. So yeah, that's going to be it. And the vignette, we are going to be adding some vignette, just a tad bit. Something like that, and I think that should be good. So I'm just going to increase the contrast slightly. Something like that should be good. Yeah, I think that's pretty good. And I'm just going to save a copy so that we can actually compare these. And I'm just going to save it. Character 1, edited. So we can actually compare these and see which one looks better. I'm just going to open this one right here. This is the edited one. And this is the non-edited one. I'm just gonna move these. Okay, so this was before, and this is the after. So you can see it's a huge difference. And yeah, now obviously we could use a professional software like Adobe Lightroom like Adobe Lightroom or Adobe Photoshop or like Snapseed or anything like that. But I don't think we really needed that, because you can like use any basic editing software, and you can even go to the internet and you can go just photo editor online. And I've actually used one of these. Yeah, photo. I think it was this. Basically, these are free photo editing softwares, and you can use these to just change your post-process your renders. So yeah, you can use anything you want. Apart from that, I think we are done with this tutorial. And yeah, thanks a lot for watching. If you have any problem in any part of the tutorial, just be sure to start a discussion down below, and I'll be sure to help you. And yeah, apart from that, just thanks a lot for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.